Now we're doing it. Any minute now, or?
He'll tell you when it's... I'm
okay.
surprised I didn't hear him say 30 seconds. He said he was ready.
30 seconds.
There you go. And then he'll tell you 5 seconds. In other words, that way you don't have to keep running.
Gotcha. Yeah. All right.
Did you see the fire?
Yeah,
Awesome.
that's cool.
That's the surface detonators.
That's awesome. Amazing how it just
Nice and
piles it up
controlled.
for you.
Wow.
That's what you want. You don't.
Yeah,
You know, it's funny when I
stuff flying all over the place.
took my daughter to a shot one time, and we were shooting a 70-foot high wall. And I took her, and we went up to a safe spot to watch and stuff. And, you know, they push the button, boom, and she looks at me and she goes, "Is that it?"
Oh,
You know, because I mean they're expecting stuff
Sure,
flying
yeah.
all.
Yeah.
You know, she's thinking of like cast blasting for coal.
Okay, yeah. Yeah. That's awesome.
wow.